It's reassuring as someone going to the exhibition to know someone who is knowledgeable and has the training are handling these artifacts and presenting them and monitoring them as well. People don't recognize the amount of work it takes to conserve an artifact. And it's exciting to be at this point now where we're able to do that for the transmitter.
When it came out of the seawater, this metal object was impregnated with all these chlorides and the salts from the seawater. So it took a long time to desalinate. It sat and the salts were leached out of the surfaces and the body of the piece so that those couldn't cause corrosion later on. Once the salts are out, the surface needs to be cleaned, any of the corrosion needs to be removed, and that can be done both with mechanical methods, and then you can also use chemical means to actually inhibit corrosion, loosen any bits that are corroded, so you can actually do that mechanical cleaning after the fact.
Who are the people who are allowed to do that work?
Each material needs to be treated differently, especially with a piece like this that has ceramic and metal and mica, rubber and asbestos. It has everything. Finding a professional who's trained in all of those things and can come to the lab to work on those is great. You know, that's the kind of thing that got me interested, is what happens to it once it gets recovered? How can you trace it back to its history?
That's the beauty of these artifacts, is that it gives you that gateway into an aspect of Titanic. It's going to be just so exciting to have this piece on display for people to see in the condition that it is, so that way it's preserved in time, stamping what happened that night on April 15th when it split into its two pieces and descended on the ocean floor.